Today we explain numerical. We write first numerical which is selected to NCERT. Here we write question 1. It is a NCERT. We write the resistance of a conductivity cell containing 0.01 mkcl solution at 298 Kelvin is 1500 ohm. What is the cell constant if conductivity of 0.001 mkcl solution at 298 Kelvin is 0.146 into 10 to the power minus 3 Simon Cm inverse. It is a question. Question asked the resistance of a conducting cell containing 0.001 mkcl solution at 298 Kelvin is 1500 ohm. It is a value of resistance. We write here R is equal to 1500 ohm. We see what is the cell constant if conductivity of 0.001 mkcl solution at 298 Kelvin is 0.146 into 10 to the power minus 3 Simon Cm inverse. It is the value of a specific conductivity in the form of unit. Here we write kappa. It is called a specific conductivity 0.146 into 10 to the power minus 3 Simon Cm inverse. Question asked, what is the cell constant? We know that cell constant is G star. Therefore, we write G star is equal to what? Here we write formula. We know two formula for G star. First is G star is equal to L upon A and second is equal to kappa upon C. In the question, the value of L and A are absent. This formula not apply in the question. We see G star kappa. Here G star is equal to what? Kappa is equal to 0.146 into 10 to the power minus 3 Simon Cm inverse. This question is explained by two methods. First method, G star is equal to kappa upon C, and second method is equal to G star is kappa into R. So we write G star is equal to kappa into R, which explain direct in answer. Here we write G star is equal to kappa into R. We write the value of kappa here 0.146 into 10 to the power minus 3. The value of R is equal to 1500 ohm. Now we solve unit. It is ohm inverse and it is ohm. These are cut out. Simon and ohm cut out. Cm inverse rest. Now we remove decimal point. In the solution, there are 3 digits of decimal point right. Here we write 146 into 10 to the power 30 are present, 3 digits here. These are cut out. It is cut out by 2, it is cut out by 3. We multiply Cm inverse. We remove 10 to the power minus 3 decimal point present 3 digits. Here we write 0.279 Cm inverse. Now we write second question, which is NCERT. We write question 2 and it is NCERT. Question second is the conductivity of 0.20 m solution of KCl at 298 Kelvin is 0.0248 Simon Cm inverse. Calculate its molar conductivity. Calculate its molar conductivity. The question is the conductivity of 0.20 m solution of KCl. It is value of concentration in molarity. Here we write M. This indicate molarity of the solution 0.20 M. It is a value of a specific conductivity the symbol of a specific conductivity is equal to kappa. Here we write kappa is equal to 0.0248 Simon Cm inverse. We select the value of kappa for unit. Simon Cm inverse is unit of a specific conductance, but in the question write only conductivity. Here we write a specific conductivity, but writer write only conductivity. Next, calculate its molar conductivity. We see lambda m indicate molar conductivity of the solution. This question is very easy. Here we write formula. Formula is lambda m is equal to kappa into 1000 upon capital M. ठीक? The value of kappa in the question 0.0248. We write 1000. The value of m in the solution 0.20. Now we remove decimal point upper and lower. In upper 4 digits are present, right of decimal, and in lower 2 digits are present, right of decimal point. 2 digits are equal, 2 digits are extra, therefore here we write 20 and write 248 into 1000 upon 20 into 120. Answer will be 124 Simon Cm square mole inverse. It is answer. Next question we write. Question third is the specific conductance of 0.05 N solution of an electrolyte at 298 Kelvin is 0.002 Simon Cm inverse. Calculate the equivalent conductance question asks the specific conductance of 0.05 N solution of an electrolyte at 298 Kelvin is 0.002 Simon cm inverse. This value is kappa. Here we write kappa is equal to 0.002 Simon cm inverse. This value is concentration of the solution in normality. Here we write capital N is a 0.05 M. Question asks, calculate equivalent conductance. The symbol of equivalent conductance is lambda EQ. We write lambda EQ is equal to what? Here we write formula lambda EQ बराबर kappa into 1000 upon capital N. Now we put the value of kappa and capital N and solve 0.002 into 1000 upon 0.05. We remove decimal point in upper 3 digits and in lower 2 digits. 2 digits are equal, 1 digit is extra, therefore 1 0. Right here we write 2 into 1000 upon 5 into 10. 1 0 cut out and it is cut out by 20. We write 40 Simon cm square gram equivalent inverse. It is answer.